In a world driven with data and information and new modes to access them, why do you care about newspapers anymore? Advertisements. Newspapers are still leading in advertising industry and loads of adverts on land sales, house sales and marriage proposals are flooded in them. But finding what's important to you in them can be like finding a needle in a haystack. Here comes a great solution for that. Introducing the Newspaper Advertisement Analyzer, your new personalized newspaper assistant advisor. Advisor is an intelligent digital tool that extracts essential data from advertisements and visualizes them in a well-organized manner. Most importantly, Advisor can identify statistical insights and patterns on adverts and create graphs and reports on them. Through Advisor, you will never get tired of finding your favorite adverts like before. Beyond that, you can identify current market trends with a single search. Advisor mainly aims business analysts, data enthusiasts, researchers, businessmen, and daily newspaper readers. It serves from extracting simple details from newspapers to create new databases for data modeling. Advisor brings you a simple user-friendly interface hiding underlying large data and NLP models and API services where you can input advertisements and then submit. With a single click, your dashboard will be filled with extracted features, graphs, maps, and many more. Let's have a quick walkthrough in our system. This is the landing page of the system where the user can get an overview idea about what the system does and how the system is constructed. User can simply click this button to get started and explore the system functionalities. Then the user can navigate to the guest user page where user can test a sneak peek of one of the major functionalities in our system. Here, user can extract and categorize the advertisements and get some overall idea of the system without signing. Currently, it supports three main ways of input and we will discuss them later after logging into the system. Then the user is invited to get on board into the system with proper sign up. Let's jump into the sign up page. In the sign up page, user have to simply provide their name, a valid email address and a password. After a quick validation of the details provided, user is prompted to type an OTP code which is sent to the email. After the verification, user can then navigate to a personalized dashboard which is unique to him. If you forget your password somehow, you can renew your password by simply clicking Forgot Password button here. In this reset password page, you can type your email which you used to sign up before and get a new temporary password instantly. User can then sign in using new credentials and change the password in the profile section immediately. If you are already signed into the system before, you can click the sign in option on the navigation bar and navigate to the sign up page. Here, user is asked to provide his email and password which he or she used to sign up to the system before. After accessing to the dashboard, there are a number of different tabs to explore. In the home page, you can view number of new advertisements updated in the latest week, number of reports you have generated, and number of users using the system. Below that, there is the search bar where you can find advertisements based on date, category, title, or location. And then there is the recent advertisement section where user can quickly navigate to the latest advertisement from the dashboard itself. At the bottom of the page, user can view all the details of some trending advertisements posted on current week as a table. There also user can filter advertisements on any feature they prefer. At the second tab, user can access the full view of the search advertisement section. Let's search some advertisements by title and date. Let's navigate into one of the advertisements. Here, user can get in-depth idea about the specific advertisement such as general details, contact details, and the location. User can directly contact the advertiser through these links or get the location on Google Map by clicking this button. Next up is the advertisement extractor, which is the main functionality of the system. Here, there are 3 tabs to input your advertisement in 3 different ways. The system is currently optimized to identify 3 categories of advertisements, namely house sales, land sales, and marriage proposals. Here, user can input a URL of an online newspaper advertisement source and analyze it. If you check this box, the extracted data is published after some approval, such that anyone can see them in the dashboard. After clicking the Analyze button, system tries to grab all the information available from the advertisement and show you in an organized manner. Here also, user can view the locations on a map by clicking the View Locations. In the next tab, user can upload a single or multiple images from their local storage, and the system tries to categorize and extract information in the same way as before. In the Upload PDF section, user can input text PDF or scanned PDF to the system and get the results like before. Here, if you have scanned images in the PDFs, you have to tick this box for more accuracy and performance. By the way, you can switch the theme anytime by clicking the configuration button on the navigation bar. In the Graph Viewer section, user can view automatically generated graphs and charts according to the total advertisements currently stored in the database. Here, first 2 graphs shows the average land and house prices along the time duration. User can customize how to render the graphs by simply using these filters. Rest of the graphs shows distribution of each advertisement categories according to different features. Apart from that, final 2 experimental graphs predict the price fluctuations in incoming years and construct a demographic analysis on how the prices varies with population density, per capita income, and other demographic features. At the bottom of the page, you can generate a PDF containing all the graphs you want to save by giving a name and clicking the Generate PDF button. PDF will be downloaded in a second. Furthermore, you can navigate into each and every graph and explore more specific details on selected graphs. Here, we can download the table's data in Excel and CSV format by clicking these buttons. In the Advertisement Map section, locations of all current advertisements are showed in a map. User can filter them by time durations. And when you click on a location, you can view more details on the current advertisement location. In the Report section, user can view their past reports listed on a table. User can access them again by clicking the Download button. In the Feedback section, user can give their feedback and view others' feedback. Additionally, user can contact support in the Help and Support tab. In the Profile section, user can view their personal details saved in our system. Users can update their profile picture and change their personal details at any time whenever they want. Let's quickly jump into the admin panel of our system. Admin also has the same dashboard home as the users to monitor the user's view of the system. Since our database is not large enough yet, admin can manually update the dashboard with new advertisements or review the advertisements sent by users in this Manage Advertisement section. In Manage User Account section, admin can monitor the user's behavior in the system and remove inappropriate users from the system. User feedback section is where all the feedbacks coming from users are accumulated so that admin can respond to them accordingly. In the content approval section, all the advertisements extracted by users are gathered and admin can approve them, update missing details by editing or delete them. Let's look at how did we implement the Advisor system so far. For the backend server, we mainly use Python with Flask as the main language, PyMongo for database interactions, NLTK, Newspaper, Specy, Beautiful Soap for feature extractions, Tesseract OCR and PyMoPDF for text extractions from inputs, and pre-trained data models to predict insights. For the front end, UI design was implemented using React.js and Material UI. For the graphs and map integrations, we used Chart.js and Leaflet.js, and some external API tools to get locations and addresses from internet. Database is mainly hosted in MongoDB online servers and Firebase storage services. Backend server is deployed on Heroku while the frontend is hosted at Firebase hosting. Advisor is an exciting startup project with a large scope that have to be implemented and enhanced further in future. Thank you for waiting with us throughout this amazing journey. Advisor, your future newspaper assistant. Goodbye.